Hello YouTube, this is from David Blue iPad 2020 here. Today we are going to show you a DQ review is 4-piece of chicken strip basket and any size of Blizzard M&Ms. Just $5.99 I have and 99 cents. I will do tonight at 5 with Mom. So let's get in the car. So let's go. Here we go. DQ.
Okay, now Annika and David, I'm gonna see what their normal meals are, okay? Because I'm gonna try to use as many of these coupons as I can, because those are some pretty good deals. But they have a deal that has chicken strips, a drink, a sundae. Will you listen to me? They have a chicken strip, fries, a drink, and a sundae for like $6.99. And that's a pretty good deal. So, do you want a sundae instead of yours? Not really.
Here we go, Mom. Annika. Alright. You need a relax for a little bit. You is right here. I am moving to one moment.
I actually do not know.
What I'm doing today. Right here.
You guys want some lids?
Yeah.
David, you better start eating that. It's gonna melt.
Alright.
She's so spoiled. Can you two put that stuff down for 2 minutes? Jeez, oh please.
Well, I thought I texted my friend. Wait, what did you say? Did you say, do you like the toast?
I asked David that earlier.
Well, when you said, do you like the toast? I thought David said, yes, I like the toes.
Oh, the toast. I asked him if he liked the toast. I'm just taking 2 chicken strips on it. You can have the rest. Do you like onion rings, Annika?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like the toast? All right.
Not really.
Well, then, but I know you like French fries.
So thank you for watching and happy tastes good.
I'll give you 1 piece of toast.